Hello, this is Andy from Team SAVOX. So today I want to show you how to replace the gear set. So this one is a guide series. Okay, replace the gear set. You need to prepare the tool. First, screwdriver, tweezers, pliers, grease, and paper towel if to all your teeth. Of course, the gear set. Okay, so this one is a new Servo SG-1213. So right now this one is the smallest guide servo we have. I will also show you how to replace the gear. First, we open the top case. And then we use the tweezers to pull out the pin. Okay, first put the output shaft. Remember there's a decal on that, and then put the fourth gear, then put the first gear inside, and the second gear, then install the pin. And then find the gear. Remember to use the grease. And close the case. Okay, so there's SG-1213.